friends, it's me, Gizmo, a cat, and since Kimono's not very good with the math in the last couple weeks, I'm just gonna jump on here and do these curbside offers this morning because she's just not really that good. So like this video if you want a kitty cat to do all your coupon matchups for the rest of December. Okay, class, so here are a couple rules for these curbside offers. We're either doing this through a desktop computer or your cell phone through the comforts of your home. We're not doing any deals with register rewards. That has to be done in store, which are those things that print out, $5 back when you buy blah, 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 that sort of thing. A couple of these offers are with IBOTTA, so you physically have to go to the photo desk and ask, can I get a receipt as well? They usually ask. And the codes or your mileage may vary as well, and we'll talk about the codes in a second. So you're pressing, see, bottom left-hand corner where it says pickup. You drive to the store, you go get it, and it's a free service. It's got to be $10 or more. The codes Cyber30 or WAGS10 may stop working in the middle of the week or today, depending what you're buying. It may or may not work as well. So I'm going to show you the offers without the codes, but if you can get the codes to work, rock and roll and make it happen. Here's a different one for you guys. Yesterday when I was in my Walgreens account getting all my info for this, I noticed this in my digital coupons folder and I'm like, what? And it's just basically like an extra $7 when you fill a prescription. So that's kind of interesting. So definitely check if you might have this. I thought I had loaded it earlier in the week, but then boom, here it is. So, it's $7 back. I believe that's for a transfer, a new prescription, or certain types of tests that you might pick up for free with your insurance. It's been kicking back that $7, which is really nice. Okay, so I have 7 curbside matchups, so we're going to go through these quickly. The first is for these children Squishmallows. These little kid adorable slippers. So it's in the different kid sizes, 11 to 12 or 13 to 1. Throw those in a pair of stockings with a candy bar, and that is a stocking filled. So it's half off. So for 2 of them, it's $13 on the nose. A really good price point because I believe that these Squishmallow products are of a good quality, in my opinion. Throwing 2 of them into a basket for $13. Curbside pickup is free. It's $13.78. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash, pay $3.78, and call that 2 adorable Christmas gifts for, under the Christmas tree. I think they're just adorable. Herb number 2, well, we definitely have to investigate this, which are the Hershey's. So I believe it's the different types of Hershey, and then also Reese's is included in this. So look for the bags at $2.64. We have an IVC coupon. Here she is, and this is a one-time use. So if you're going to use this however way you're going to do it, make sure you have it loaded, but it's a one and done digitally. So grabbing the candy, 4 bags of that, subtracting the IVC twice. No tax on this because this is food here in Michigan. It's $8.56. I would use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay $3.56. $3.56 for 4 bags of Hershey's Kisses. Smart deal. Okay, the next deal that we have, a little bit of this and that. We're going to be grabbing 4 of the Palmolive dish soaps. Now, I know a lot of couponers were going hard, so hopefully your store still has these in stock, but we're going to grab 4. So there's 3 of these ones. And then we have 1 of this. I have to mix and match because somebody went in and grabbed them all. We have this digital coupon. When I was at the store, I could not find it, but boom, it appeared around 6 o'clock in my Walgreens account. Go figure that one. Putting 4 of those into a basket, it's $11.16. Curbside pickup is free. The manufacturer are taxed for a new total of $11.08. Use $10 in Walgreens cash, pay $1.08, and you're going to get $6 back. So you're basically paying $5 for 4 of those 20 ounces of the Palmolive. A very good price and a very good product. Okay, so this next offer, you're going to have to do it today, which is December the 5th. So we're going to grab a bag of the Reese's chocolates. So it's either Kisses, Reese's, same company, just one for $2.64, and then one of those Olay gift sets for $9.99. And this has to be today, guys, because there's a couple little things going on here. This is the digital coupon that you need for that Olay gift set, and IBOTTA has $3 back for that set. If you loaded it yesterday, it should still be in your coupons folder of your Walgreens account. If you type Olay, it's not going to show up, but if you look
in your Walgreens folder and then see the digitals that have been loaded or the rebates that have been loaded for IBOTTA, it still should be there. And it's $3 back. Mine's expiring in like 18 hours. Here's the digital coupon, guys. We have $1 off a 2, but even though you're only grabbing one, 50 cents will come off for curbside. That's how it works. So looking at this, $12.63 for the Olay and the 1 bag of candy, subtracting your IVC, free curbside pickup, $2 for that digital, $10.73. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash, pay 73 cents. Make sure when you pick this order up, you ask for a receipt, and then $3 submission to IBOTTA, making it $7 for that really cute Olay gift set and then a bag of candy. Okay, so we're looking at a deal, just kind of augmenting the last deal. We're going to grab a bag of the Hershey's Grinch Kisses for $2.64, and then one of these replacement heads for Oral-B Click for $9.99. Here's your digital coupon for the Click, so make sure that you have that loaded, $5 off. And then over on IBOTTA, we have $3 back for one of these Oral-B Clicks. Also for your chocolate, make sure you have this guy loaded, $1 off a 2. Looking at your overall basket, $12.63, 50 cents for the chocolate. Curbside pickup is free, 50 cents for that Click toothbrush. For $7.73, I would use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay $2.73. Get your receipt and make that $3 submission to IBOTTA, and I think this is called a smart deal. Okay, number 6, we're going to be looking at a cute stocking stuffer. We're going to grab, again, another bag of those kisses, and then for $9.99, a Maybelline triple pack, perfect to go in a stocking. We have this digital coupon for that Maybelline triple pack, $5 off. Like, that's really nice. Plus for our chocolate, remember you need this friend loaded. Looking at the math for this, guys, it is $12.63, 50 cent IVC melting off right there, free curbside pickup. $5 coupon for the Maybelline coming off for a new total of $7.73. If you might have $5 in Walgreens cash, go for it and pay $2.73 for a bag of kisses and a mascara. That could be a gift for a Secret Santa, a really nice one. Okay, number 7. Last week, this very nice coupon showed up, which is a 10 off a 2. If your store hasn't restocked, no stores around here has restocked in that nighttime cream. Let's just look at a different avenue for a deal. We're going to put 2 of these Regenerous, it's like a face wash, BOGO 50% off for $14.98. $10 coupon is attaching. So $5.88 is your new total. I personally would use $5 in Walgreens cash, pay 88 cents, wrap those 2 up for stocking stuffers or Merry Christmas to me. It's just a smart deal, however you look at it. I love this one. Okay, the final deal that we're going to look at, you can do this one in store or curbside, $20. So 50% off for the Soap and Glory Pinkly the Best Gift. It's a massive kit. You want to get this for your mother-in-law? You might be her favorite. I would buy that and use exactly $20 in Walgreens cash and just pay down the tax, and you have somebody's gift crossed right off. It's just very simple math. And for both this deal, along with those little kid slippers, you can either do it as a curbside or you can do it in store for both of those, because the prices should be balancing the same way in store or on a curbside pickup. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. We will catch you in the next one. Bye.